Today I'm going to show you how to set browser notifications to on first prompt only in Base44. This is a quick settings change, but it's really useful if you want better control over when notifications appear and avoid being interrupted too often. If you find this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more quick Base44 tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, go to the bottom left corner of the Base44 interface and click your profile icon. This is where you'll find your account and app settings options. Once the menu opens, click Settings. That will take you into the main settings area for your Base44 account. Next, look at the left navigation bar inside Settings and click Preferences. This is where you can adjust your personal app behavior and notification options. After that, scroll or look for the browser notifications section. In that section, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click the drop-down to open the available notification choices. From the list, select on first prompt only. This setting tells Base44 to show browser notifications only the first time a prompt appears, which helps reduce repeated interruptions while still keeping you informed when needed. Once you've selected it, the setting should save automatically, and that's it. You've now changed your browser notifications preference in Base44 to on first prompt only. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Base44 tips, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.